human beings and wanting to um, get to know one another, get to know Christ. There's something about human beings that go through struggles within this life, and we don't talk a lot about that. And so, what Holy Spirit really put on our mind to do was to tap into this particular place. And so, with that being said, we are really going to dive into the human nature because of the particular arena that we move in ministry. We have those who are struggling with different lifestyles. They have experienced various hardships that has caused them to experience a stagnicity. I just made up a word. Did you like that?
I love that. That's that
Stagnicity.
dictionarian girl. Dictionarian, librarian all in one. Go ahead and be a dictionarian girl.